Today, I'm going to show you a straightforward way to remove the background from a signature using Adobe Photoshop. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to isolate your signature so you can use it on documents, designs, or graphics without having that pesky background showing through. This is a really useful skill for anyone working with digital signatures, whether you're a student, a professional, or just getting organized with your paperwork. Let's dive right in. First things first. Go ahead and open Photoshop on your computer. If it's your first time launching Photoshop, don't worry. The interface might look a little overwhelming at first, but we're going to keep things simple and stay focused on just a few tools you need. Once you're in, open the image file that contains your signature. Usually, these come from a scan or a photo you've taken of your handwritten name on paper. It'll probably have a white or colored background behind the signature, which is what we'll be removing. Now, with your signature file open and visible in Photoshop, it's time to select the right tool for the job. Look over at the toolbar. You might see a regular eraser, but what we want is the magic eraser tool. Sometimes, you'll need to click and hold the regular eraser icon to reveal some hidden options. Just look for the tool labeled Magic Eraser. Don't let the name scare you. It's really straightforward. What makes it magic is that it automatically selects and removes areas of similar color, which is exactly what we want for cleaning up backgrounds. Once you have the Magic Eraser tool selected, take a look at the options bar near the top of your screen. You might want to tweak the tolerance setting a little bit. It changes how aggressively Photoshop treats similar colors as the same. If your signature is on a white background, starting with a tolerance of around 20 is usually a safe bet. You can always undo and try again if it erases too much or too little. Now, simply click on the background area next to your signature. You'll notice that all the connected pixels of that color vanish, leaving your signature floating on a transparent checkerboard. That checkerboard pattern just means there's no background behind your signature now. But let's not rush. Take a moment to inspect the edges of your signature. Sometimes, the initial click doesn't get every bit, especially if your original background wasn't perfectly uniform or the paper had shadows. This is where you can use the magnifier tool, also called the zoom tool. Click on the magnifying glass icon in your toolbar, or just press the Z key shortcut. Go ahead and zoom in on the fine details of your signature. This makes it much easier to see if there are stray bits of background lingering around the edges. Carefully use the magic eraser again on any stubborn spots. Remember, it's pretty normal to have to click a few times in different areas, especially near parts of the signature where the ink may have faded or bled into the paper. Take your time at this step. You want to make sure the background is completely gone while the signature itself stays crisp and untouched. Don't worry if you accidentally erase part of the signature. Just hit Ctrl+Z to undo and try again with a smaller tolerance or a steadier hand. And that's really all there is to it. You've just turned your signature into a neat, professional-looking graphic with no distracting background. If you'd like, you can now save this as a PNG file to preserve transparency, so you can drop your signature onto any document or image you need. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you ran into any tricky spots or want to see more Photoshop tips. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. See you in the next video.